Hello guys, today we will learn about the trending topic of zero-based budgeting. What zero-based budgeting is, how it works, what are its pros and cons, and how it affects the life of layman if followed properly. This all will be discussed in this video. So without any further delay, let's get started. Meet Beth Fuller, a 27-year-old digital product manager from Newcastle, who has become a financial role model for thousands. Fuller's journey began with meticulous budgeting on payday, where she allocated every penny to bills, expenses like rent, food, etc., and savings. Sharing her budgeting journey on TikTok gained unexpected popularity, helping her clear £8,000 of credit card debt and gain control over her finances. What is zero-based budgeting? Originating as a business accountancy technique in the 1970s, zero-based budgeting analyzes every expense to justify allocating funds to it. Personal finance experts like Dave Ramsey popularized this method, recommended it especially to those facing debt and financial challenges. There were more than 4,000 different zero-based budget planners, spreadsheet templates, and software programs for expense tracking available to buy on the online marketplace Etsy. Such softwares and dares help people for making budget for the future. How zero budget works. George Kamel, the author of the book Breaking Free from Broke, says, zero-based budgeting simply means your income minus expenses equals zero. Like, if you make £5,000 a month, everything you give, save, spend, and invest in that month should equal £5,000. Categories such as bills, shopping, rent, groceries, and savings are carefully planned, ensuring every pound has a purpose. You can also create savings accounts for the future like a rainy day fund. If you overspend in one area, you should subtract some expenses from your income so that you won't bust your budget completely. If you do your budget and you're in the negative, that's a problem, but don't freak out, Kamel says. You're spending more than you make, which means you need to trim your budget, spend less on eating out, cut a subscription or two. Make adjustments as you need to, throughout the month. If the electric bill is higher than you expected, tweak another line item to make up for it. For most people, it takes about 3 months of budgeting to get it dialed in. But don't give up. Fuller credits following zero-based budgeting content creators online with making her realize she could find an extra £700 a month, as well as pay off her credit cards. She also tells that planning ahead for upcoming expenses and setting aside money for emergencies has brought clarity and control to her financial life. She feels like now she knows her money better than ever. Banks like Starling and Chase offer features like Spaces and multiple savings accounts, making it easier for customers to allocate funds and track expenses. Monzo Plus and Monzo Premium provide additional features like paying bills from specific pots and linking virtual cards to expenses. Monzo customers can pay bills via direct debit or standing order directly from pots, but if you upgrade to Monzo Plus, which costs £5 a month, or Monzo Premium, £15 a month, you can pay for online subscriptions from, and link virtual cards to, specific pots. Challenges to be faced during zero budgeting. While effective, zero-based budgeting can be perceived as time-consuming and complex. Freelancers and gig economy workers may struggle with irregular earnings and unpredictable expenses. There's always something that you didn't plan for, says Dr. Marcel Lucas, a senior lecturer in banking and finance at the University of St. Andrews. He adds, every month I write out the expenses that I didn't plan for, and every month there is something big, like a gift, something relating to a holiday, something needing replacing in the house, a problem with the car. No one can ever work out how much fuel they're going to use. You might put away so much money for savings, lock it away, and then can't get it out again quickly, and then you end up using a credit card and think, oh, it's just a one-off thing. Academic research suggests that even tracking one category of spending can lead to reduced overall spending, advocating for ambitious yet achievable budgeting goals. Conclusion. Zero-based budgeting offers a pathway to financial freedom, empowering individuals to take control of their finances and build a secure future.